What up, guys? Today I was making slime, and I did mix my two slimes together that I made earlier, and the video is posting right now. And I mixed them together.
Hey, okay, so this
good.
is the slime that I made earlier.
And it's so good.
So now I'm going to show y'all how.
And like, so stretchy.
Text message.
Sorry, that was my phone. So stretchy.
Glue.
Yeah.
Maybe this much of paper. We'll just put it in there. And then you're going to mix it. And you can add food dye, but for right now I'm just choosing not to. And then you're going to add the contact solution.
Stretchy,
And guys,
great
if I'm
color.
hurrying, my phone's about to die.
If you want, I can add another color if y'all want. We can add some more.
Oh,
Maybe
guys,
this.
and someday...
Maybe this.
No, it already stopped.
Okay, I added that color. It's like, it's like a Jolly Rancher color. Yeah, and it's pretty good. You can go on my Instagram, SavageDestiny_123.
I have to stop making slime until we go back slime shopping.
Why?
Because I have no more containers for the slime.
Yeah, it's great. Good color. And that's all for this video, guys. Please leave a thumbs up if you love slime, you like playing with it. Please leave a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. And you think we did a good job, please subscribe and like this video. See y'all in the next one.
Like it up!